Welcome to this technical guide on the Dell Inspiron. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dell Inspiron hard drive is making strange noises, it's likely indicating impending failure. This can happen due to wear and tear or physical damage, and if left unchecked, it may lead to data loss or further hardware issues. Addressing this problem promptly is crucial to maintaining your device's performance and safeguarding your files. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap to prevent static damage, and a new compatible hard drive for replacement. First, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Place it on a flat, stable surface. Begin by removing the back cover. Use your Phillips screwdriver to carefully unscrew the retaining screws, ensuring you keep them in a safe place. Gently pry open the back cover, being cautious not to apply too much force as you could damage the clips. Once the cover is off, locate the hard drive. It will typically be housed in a metal bracket. You may need to disconnect a few cables to access it fully. Take note of how the cables are connected so you can reattach them later. Remove the screws securing the hard drive in place, usually located on the sides or the top. When you've removed the screws, carefully slide the hard drive out of its bay. Make sure to handle it by the edges to avoid touching any of the circuit board. Now, take your new hard drive, ensuring it's compatible with your Dell Inspiron model. Slide it into the bay, aligning it with the connectors. Reattach the screws to secure it firmly in place. Connect the cables back to their original positions, making sure they are seated properly. As you work, be careful not to damage any nearby components. Once everything is in place, replace the back cover of your device, securing it with the screws you removed earlier. Before you power on your device, double-check that everything is connected correctly. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent future issues with your hard drive, ensure your device has adequate ventilation, avoid physical shocks, and regularly back up your data to an external source. Keeping your system updated can also help maintain its health. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair, and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.